Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Pathshala. So today we will be having a close look on the assessment for IGCSE Physics. That means what all papers you need to give if you have opted for Cambridge IGCSE Physics. So all the candidates in Cambridge IGCSE Physics take 3 papers. So in Cambridge Sciences, candidates can either opt for core syllabus or extended syllabus. So you can either go for core or you can go for extended. So what is the difference between the two? So basically core has less syllabus content as compared to extended, and also its difficulty level is quite low as compared to extended syllabus. So the candidates who have studied the core syllabus content or who are expected to achieve a grade D or below should be entered paper 1, paper 3 and either paper 5 or paper 6. And these candidates will be eligible for grades C to G. What does it mean? You have to give 3 papers. Obviously, as I said, all the candidates, whether you have opted for core or extended, you will appear for 3 papers. First, second and third, 3 papers. Now how are these divided among core and extended candidates? So paper 1, 3, and you can either go for paper 5 or paper 6. We'll be talking about it in detail in the next slide. But the main thing to note is that the core candidates can get a maximum of grade as C. The highest grade they can achieve is C. That means even if you are getting full marks, the highest grade you are getting is C. You cannot get A, you cannot get B, or you cannot get A star. You can get a highest grade of C, and the lowest grade is G. In extended, you go for paper 2, paper 4, and again there is a choice in paper 5 or paper 6. We'll be talking about it in detail in the next slide again. But here the maximum grade you can get is A star and the lowest is G. So if you are getting full marks, you can get A star, or there is a range of marks where you can get A star. We'll be talking it in the next video. So the basic difference, as you can see, among core and extended is one is in the syllabus content, other is in the grades, right? Now talking little bit about assessment for IGCSE physics in detail. Core assessment, students go for paper 1, paper 3. Paper 1 is multiple choice. You get 40 questions and you get 45 minutes. 40 questions, 45 minutes, and the weightage of this paper is 30%. Paper 3 is theory, core. We are talking about core for now. So you get 80 marks paper and the time you get is 1 hour 15 minutes, and the weightage of this paper is 50%. So the weightage of paper 3 theory paper is more than the multiple choice paper. Then what is the third paper? You have got paper 1, you have got paper 3. Now what is the third paper? As I said, you have to appear for 3 papers. The third paper is you can go either for practical test or alternative to practical. Now what is the difference between the two? So practical test is basically you get, again it's 40 marks, 40 marks, both are 40 marks. The time in practical test is 15 minutes more as compared to alternative to practical. So in practical test, basically you get the setup done. You have to take the readings on your own and answer the questions given in the paper. You have to take the readings on your own. Whereas in alternative to practical, as the name suggests, is an alternative. So here the practical readings and everything is already given and you just have to answer the questions. That's why here in practical paper you get 15 minutes extra, because you have to take the readings on your own. And the weightage of this paper is 20%. Now looking at your level of proficiency in handling apparatus and everything, you can go either for practical and alternative to practical, or in some schools decide whether their candidates will go for practical or alternative to practical. So you can have paper 1, paper 3, and between 5 and 6 there is a choice. Similarly for extended candidates, again same multiple choice, 40 questions, 45 minutes, 30% weightage, same as core. Theory, paper 4 theory extended, 1 hour 15 minutes, 80 marks. You have short answers and structured questions, same as in core. The only difference is in the difficulty level. And the weightage again is same as a core, 50-50. So 30 plus 50 plus 20. Again, for extended candidates, you have paper 2, MCQ, paper 4, theory, and paper 5 or paper 6, either practical or alternative to practical. So that is it. So you can go either for core or extended. That's it for the assessment for IGCSE physics. If you have any further queries, do write me on yutika0050@gmail.com. And if you like the video, do share, subscribe, and like the channel. Thank you and have a good day.